Instagram is now paying influencers for amazing content. Good day, everybody, from Are You Ready? As you all know, we live in a technologically advanced world where nearly everybody has access to the internet. Anybody who has a phone, a laptop, a PC, or nearly any device can access the World Wide Web, where you have access to content from hundreds of people coming from all walks of life. This is a privilege that younger generations have had since birth, but the older ones are still getting the hang of. Nowadays, we get to enjoy videos from our favorite creators, who tell us all sorts of things that we are interested in, and we can learn new things every single day for the rest of our lives. However, since we live in a world where we need money to survive, these creators need a reason to keep publishing their content. Their love for video editing and talking to an audience won't cut it if they don't have the money to fund their passions. People who are working on online platforms have their own bills to pay too. Thankfully, a system is already in place to benefit both the content creators and the audience. Now everybody is familiar with YouTube's system, which allows YouTubers to monetize their videos in order to gain revenue from what they post online, provided that they follow certain rules for monetization. Additionally, YouTubers can run ads on their videos for more revenue. Now it seems like Instagram has adopted the same method to the benefit of their own content creators. Today, we'll be discussing a new update in the popular social media platform, most notably known as Instagram. Recently, there's been a change that allows content creators to benefit from being Instagram famous. If you want to know the details of how this works, then stay tuned until the end of the video. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Who knows, you might even consider hopping on the Instagram train to get your own piece of the pie. Instagram is popular for brands and businesses to share their products and services to the world. It's easy to use and, most importantly, free to the public. When you have an Instagram page, you're exposing yourself to a targeted audience. Now for years, brand owners and influencers have been diligently building their business on Instagram through several methods. This includes sponsored posts from specific companies and even shared revenue so that their products are recommended. From what you can see, it's clear that Instagram has no hand in providing monetary benefits to these creators. Instead, they just provide the platform where these creators get to share their stuff to the world. Now all of that is about to change. In 2018, Instagram launched IGTV, an app that you can use as a standalone platform or as part of Instagram. With IGTV, content creators can now set up their own channel and publish videos that reach up to an hour long. This eliminates the need for them to use YouTube as a way to link to videos that are longer than normal. It's similar to Instagram stories. The only thing that differs is the length. Moreover, IGTV features a simple yet efficient user interface where creators have various tabs such as Popular, Following, and For You. This allows them to see content that is personalized for them and makes it easier to connect with their followers. With IGTV, Instagram is finally giving their content creators much needed revenue. Now that we all know what IGTV is, what exactly has Instagram updated to ensure that their content creators are finally getting paid for the content that they push out? Instagram has announced two methods for creators to make money on their platform: badges for Instagram Live and ads on IGTV. With IGTV ads, Instagram has supposedly promised that at least 55% of their revenue is going towards the creators. This is a similar tactic to YouTube. On the other hand, creators can also use badges for Instagram Live. Basically, what this means is that Instagram will now allow fans of content creators to sponsor their favorites using paid badges. These badges are apparently going to be priced at less than $5. Overall, this means that content creators have two options: run ads or have their fans sponsor them. However, these new features aren't yet accessible to the public. According to Instagram, they're still testing out IGTV ads and Instagram Live badges with a handful of content creators and advertisers. It's not yet known when it'll be used widely, but rest assured that we're getting there. Soon, people who base their entire income and business on Instagram will benefit from additional monetary support. And with how the world is going right now, it's definitely needed. So kudos to Instagram for providing extra support using their platform. So there you have it, folks. Instagram is coming in hot with new features that might serve as competition for other social media platforms out there. With the coronavirus pandemic still unfolding halfway through 2020, people will be spending much more time at home. And the best way to stay connected with loved ones and to hopefully gain more income is through the internet. If you have a large number of followers and you need a little more income during these dire times, then maybe you should look out for Instagram's new features. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more updates. Do you have anything else you want us to cover? Just comment them down below. Thank you for watching. Are you ready?